Does buying the newest camera make you the best photographer? Simply put, no. Many photographers often think that a new camera or lens will make them successful, but this isn't usually true. However, there is one important reason why gear matters, and that is inspiration. Take the example of a photographer who bought the Canon R5. It has high resolution, in-body stabilization, a flip-out screen, and great video capabilities. This camera was chosen carefully, meeting all the needed requirements for the photographer. As a professional photographer who shoots a wide range of subjects from products and cars to macro, travel, and landscapes, they needed a camera that performs well in any situation. The R5 delivers on all technical fronts, but it doesn't inspire creativity or excitement. It's like a chef buying a new kitchen appliance. The chef needs a high-quality oven that heats evenly, has precise temperature control, and can handle a variety of dishes. It must be reliable, efficient, and capable of getting the job done. But it's not their dream tool. They might dream of using a traditional wood-fired oven or a beautifully crafted Japanese knife, but the standard oven doesn't inspire them. Similarly, the R5 doesn't inspire this photographer. Many photographers still love film photography. It's not because they think they can only get certain images on film that they couldn't achieve digitally. It's about the process, the act of loading film, the anticipation of waiting for the results, and the unique experience it offers. This process inspires them to go out and shoot. It's a different way of working, much like someone's recent fascination with vinyl records. The sound quality might not be better than streaming music, but the process of selecting an album, placing it on the turntable, and listening through the needle connects them more deeply to the music and the artist. This photographer uses the R5 for most of their professional shoots, both in the studio and on location. However, they get more excited picking up their old Fujifilm X100V for moody black and white street photography. This camera is several years old, lacking the latest technology, yet it gives them a unique thrill when they use it. Despite its lack of stabilization, modest 26-megapixel sensor, and fixed lens, it's the camera they often choose for personal photography projects. The R5 is the professional tool, and the X100V is the fun toy. My dream camera is the Hasselblad X2D, a medium format camera with stunning image quality. I had the chance to use it when I reviewed it for a publication, and it was a fantastic experience. Just holding it felt amazing. However, it is far beyond my budget. Even with a significant discount, I would struggle to justify the expense. It's not just about the price. I've used other expensive cameras like the Phase 1 medium format, which is an exceptional tool but didn't inspire me creatively as the Hasselblad did. Excitement cannot be underestimated in photography. It's what drives us to explore new places, experiment with different techniques, and continually push the boundaries of our creativity. It's what makes us eager to pick up our cameras and shoot. If your camera excites you, whether it's new or old, digital or film, big or small, it will keep you motivated to take photos. At the beginning of this discussion, we stated that new gear wouldn't make you a better photographer, and that remains true. However, it depends on why you're getting new equipment. Simply upgrading for more megapixels won't revolutionize your photography, but finding something that excites you, something that makes you happy just holding it and using it, that will help you take better photos. Of course, creativity and inspiration are subjective. For some, better specs might indeed help achieve certain shots, especially in specialized fields like wildlife or sports photography, where fast burst rates and other technical features are crucial. For example, the high burst rates of Sony's new A9 III might thrill wildlife photographers, helping them capture standout shots. If you need a camera solely for macro photography, you might want to consider the Olympus OM1. For landscape or car photography, I'd consider an older Fujifilm GFX medium format from the secondhand market. But for an all-rounder, the R5 is superb. We feel conflicted about the photographer not inspiring them, wondering if it's the camera's fault or their own. Inspiration isn't solely from gear. It's a two-way street. If you've lost enthusiasm, a new camera might not be the solution. Investing in travel or trying new genres might reignite your passion. If you're considering new gear, think about what excites you. Don't just tick off specifications. Listen to your heart and choose gear that you will love and be excited to use. This excitement will keep you motivated and inspired in your photographic journey. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to this channel. I look forward to hearing your thoughts in the comments below.